got it. I'll say a sentence and then you repeat after me. Let's get started. Sentence 1. The sun sets in the west. Close. It should be the sun sets in the west. Let's try another one. She loves reading books. It looks like you meant she loves reading books. Let's try another. I need to get up now. Perfect. How about this one? I'm gonna make breakfast. That's right, nice job. Next, let's try, I need to brush my teeth. Great. Here's the next one. It's time to take a shower. Perfect. Now try, I'm gonna work now. That's correct. Next, I need to go grocery shopping. Well done. Here's the next one. Let's clean the house. Great. Try this one. I'm gonna cook dinner. Perfect. Next, I need to do the laundry. That's fine too. Next, let's watch TV. Great. How about this one? I'm gonna read a book. It's almost right. Try saying, I'm gonna read a book. Perfect. Next phrase. Time for bed. That's right. Now try, I need to make a phone call. Great job. Next, I have to take out the trash. Almost there. It should be, I have to take out the trash. Great. Now let's try, I need to check my emails. Perfect. Next phrase. I have a meeting later. Great job. Next, I need to buy some groceries. Perfect. Next phrase. Let's have a cup of tea. Great. Now try, I'm going to relax now. That's correct. How about this? It's time to pick up the kids. Perfect. Next, I need to water the plants. Great. Now try, I'm going to the gym. Perfect. Next, I need to do some cleaning. Well done. Next phrase, let's set the table. Perfect. Next, I have to run some errands. Perfect. Lastly, it's time to feed the pets. It should be, it's time to feed the pets.